In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Miro support. Navigating technical platforms can sometimes present challenges, and knowing how to reach out for help effectively is crucial. Whether you're encountering an issue or just need some guidance, let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading to the Miro Help Center. This is your gateway to a wealth of support resources that Miro offers. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the Miro Help Center. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page if you find yourself needing assistance frequently. Once you arrive, you'll notice a variety of support options and topics available right at your fingertips. Next, it's essential to sign in to your Miro account if you haven't already. You'll likely see a Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and enter your login credentials. This step is critical because being signed in allows Miro support to better assist you by having access to your account details and querying history. So, make sure you're logged in before proceeding with your support request. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the Help section, which you can find easily by looking for the question mark icon, or simply the word Help on the site. Click on it, and you will be presented with a range of options designed to cater to diverse needs. For the purpose of seeking direct assistance, you'll want to click on Contact Support. This feature provides you with a personalized line of support that can address more complex or unique issues that go beyond the general help articles. Alternatively, if you prefer a more structured method, you can submit a request through the Help Center itself. Within this section, there should be an option labeled Submit a Request. Clicking here will take you to a form designed to collect detailed information about the issue or query you have. Be as specific as possible when filling out this form. Include necessary details such as what the problem is, any error messages you might be receiving, and the steps you've already taken to try to resolve it. The more context you provide, the quicker the support team can assist you effectively. Remember, while waiting for a response, it might also be helpful to browse through the Miro Help Center's library of articles and frequently asked questions. Sometimes you might find that someone else has experienced a similar issue, and a solution may already be documented there. But rest assured, by following these steps, you ensure that your request is registered and you're in line to receive the assistance you need. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're well equipped to reach out to Miro support whenever you need help, ensuring smoother navigation and resolution of your concerns on the platform. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.